Thank you for having me. Let me introduce MealTune, your body in the path of healthy eating. So what does it mean to eat healthy? Many people are trying to reach their goals through diets, but the truth is diet doesn't work. It could affect your body. It leads to anxiety, leads to metabolic changes and many problems. Calories counting are annoying. The fast pace of life doesn't allow us to understand what actually we eat in restaurants, in the street. So we could claim that people would like to eat healthy, but it's not so easy. So it's time for a little coming out. I've been suffering from diabetes since I was 10. So I'm using CGM device like this to track my blood sugar. As a software developer, I gathered and compiled the data, and we developed something we called energy levels. It's how combination of foods relates its nutrients over time. So you see, healthy eating, it's not just about calories in and calories out. It's about personal preferences. It's about goals, and it's about timing. So sustained energy will give you enough energy. And food with more satiety will prevent you from overeating and snacking. So MealTune is a recommendation system that combines two worlds: chatbot for users and advertising platform for sponsors. When I was younger, my older sister, she's a doctor, she helped me to understand how to manage my disease. So in a great respect for her, I'd like to build a chatbot that everyone could have some kind of advisor that could tell them how to manage some certain situations. Well, user just enter whatever they want to eat. We'll gather these statistics and according to their personal goals, according to energy levels, we're going to advise how to manage it. Burn excess calories, if any, or add some food. So no pushes, no charges, there are no bad foods. We will help you in the way of healthy eating. As for sponsors, products is not just products, it's a helpful ones because it helps people to reach their goals. So MealTune used some public research and some science-based insight to highlight benefits from certain products. For example, some of them could help people to calm down their nervous system, or could help them prepare for something. For example, hiking, for exam preparation. In restaurants, we are going to help customers to consume sufficient amounts of nutrients. And people could reach restaurants nearby. So eating smart approach is not about calories counting. Algorithms will gradually change eating habits without any stressful situation and keeps user away from overeating or severe restrictions. So as for me, what does it mean to eat healthy? It's tasting life itself. It's getting enough energy every day to be happy, to be healthy. So thank you for having me. And any questions?
How do you calculate the energy level?
As I said, we gathered information from CGMs. Yes, right.
So this startup is this solution is only for diabetes.
No. It's for healthy people, but we gathered data from CGMs and compiled these approximate energy levels and use it in our own algorithms.
But do the users need to have CGMs on them?
No, they don't need.
So it's a chatbot, right? So how many platforms are this working?
Right now we are on the end of our development stage, so we are going to use Facebook Messenger, WeChat, Line, and it's scaled pretty simple.
Hi, can you explain a little bit? So because we don't have a sample of your app, right? So if I'm a user, so what do? I have a plate of food in front of me. I select from your menu. What am I eating?
Actually, there are many options. You could type or send message through voice system. Speak something you're going to eat. Or in the future, we are going to make image recognition system for that. So it's just track your food to build some statistics. Yeah.
Okay, maybe maybe this is a bit over already. You have a competitor just now. Similar thing, app try to recommend health to better eating habits. So why are you better than him?
We're not better, but we're still here, and we are going to claim about our project and going to claim for our fight for healthy eating. We have some insights, and we have these exactly energy levels that shows you how to use food for your advantages. And we gather personal statistics, so we not change. We're not going to push you to the diet. We are going to teach you and educate you how to use food for your advantages and how to gradually change your eating habits. So our algorithms find food that's pretty same, but much better in nutrient quality and much better in satiety. So that's it.
So who are your targets? I mean, doesn't have to be diabetes people, right?
No, right now it's just the common people who are trying to eat healthy.
And what is the amount or I mean the data gathering of the CGM when you use, because the CGM in general you have your personal data and then you can track, but not the others, and because, like, for example, we have the basal metabolic rate differently. So how are you integrate the CGM's data, which is the glucose, one of it, and and the differences between the metabolic rates?
Yes, as I said, first of all, the main idea is a kind of NDA. So I wouldn't tell you every every part of this, but yeah, we gathered it since 2019, and we was working with the Diabetic Society in Russia.
I mean, the reason behind, since I still have 1 minute, the reason behind it, I'm asking because CGMs is not available in Thailand.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I know.
for FDA approval. So that's why I'm trying to find, where the information is coming from and how it being trusted, because the data, the trustful data, is actually the first source of how you calculate the,
Of course, I
the
totally
daily,
understand.
the diurnal waste. So that's my question.
Yeah, sure. I'm not from Thailand. Thank you so much.